Today's video is just, I'm going to be telling you how to stay clean, fresh, moisturized, and keep your body in good health. Because I'm a Christian, and it says in the Bible that our bodies are a temple for the Lord. So obviously we need to take care of ourselves. So yeah, I have some Bath & Body stuff as well as drugstore products and some things I don't have here, but I will be recommending them if you need to be on a budget, because as we all know, not everybody is as blessed as everybody else. I mean, yes, they're blessed, but some people just don't have as much money to spend on things as other people, and that's okay, because you can still smell good, be fresh and clean, even if you feel like you don't have enough money to. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So obviously, first thing they want to do in the shower, well, not the first thing, is wash your hair. Your hair is a very big part of your personal hygiene and how you smell. Because your hair is so close to the rest of your body, if your hair smells really bad, it can affect how the rest of you smells. Even if you smell nicely and you're clean and have like lotion and body spray on the rest of yourself, if your hair smells really bad, then that can really take your freshness level down a few notches, just because it can really create, because your head is your atmosphere, is like atmosphere around you. People are mostly likely to be around your height, so when they walk past, they're gonna be walking past your head. And if your hair smells really bad, then that's just yucky. So obviously you need to be washing your hair at least twice a week. Yeah, if you have really oily hair, probably like 3 to 4 times a week. I wash my hair every day just because I don't know why. I don't have such oily hair, but I don't like going other days without washing my hair because it really bothers me. You don't have to wash your hair every day. I know some people who don't wash their hair for like, or I don't know them, but I've seen people on YouTube that don't wash their hair for like a week, and I'm not gonna say it disgusts me, but sometimes I just can't understand because I'm not like them. My hair is not the same as their hair, you know? But yeah, but whenever your hair gets oily, obviously you need to wash it. I would not suggest just putting dry shampoo, because the overall health of your scalp will not be aided by dry shampoo. That will not help it. Yeah, so here are a few options. The L'Oreal Paris, the Elvive line. This is a nice line. It works well for my hair, as well as Garnier Fructis. I like the Garnier stuff, as well as the Garnier Whole Blends. And yeah, so here I have the Dream Lengths Restoring Shampoo. This is for growing your hair out. And if your hair is damaged, my hair is not super damaged, but it is dry sometimes, so yeah. Also, this is the Total Repair 5. So if you have super damaged, breaking, such dry hair, this is a repairing conditioner for really damaged hair, which is really good for that. These retail $6 and below, which isn't a bad price for hair care, but if you really need some like cheaper option, the Suave hair washes are not bad at all. If your hair is not too like I don't know, fussy about what you put in it, then you can use Suave and the conditioner. Yeah, just if you can spend a little more money, try getting something from like L'Oreal or Garnier, or yeah, but Suave will work fine because I have used that before and it does work. So the next thing, obviously you need to be washing your body, and most people will either use their hands, a washcloth, or a loofah. And I just want to put out an analogy. If you're watching this, you've probably heard many times that a loofah harbors bacteria. But I'm going to give you like an analogy to like explain it. So you know how when you have a piece of bread, it has like little air pockets in it. If you look at the piece of bread, it has air pockets in it. And you know, mold can get trapped. Mold will anchor itself inside the bread because there's air pockets to get in and like grow, you know? So think of the loofah. The loofah has lots of little air pockets because it's like a netting. So bacteria can just sit in there in the middle of the net and, you know, have fun. But that's not fun for you, because if you're washing yourself with something that's dirty, then that's not gonna help you smell nice. Yeah. So I would suggest using a washcloth. This is a washcloth. This one actually has paint on it. Don't worry, I'm not using this one. This is a cleaning washcloth, but this is the only one I could find because the other ones are in the washer. Hey, dirty. No. Yeah, just get a washcloth. This is just a washcloth. You can find these at Walmart for super cheap, like less than $2 for a washcloth, I think. And yeah, just get a washcloth, grab a few, maybe like 4, and yeah, use that to wash yourself by like squirting the soap on it, lathering up, and just rubbing on yourself. And then after about, I don't know, like less than a week, you should probably be washing these. But also after you finish washing your body off, make sure you like wring these out with water so that they're not just like the dirty stuff that you just washed off from yourself sit on there. Yeah, so in order to stay extra fresh and clean, you can always do a 2-step cleansing. And that is, the first thing, we'll be using a bar soap. Here I have the Caress Daily Silk bar soap, as well as the Yardley Creamy Coconut. You can find Yardley and Caress at Walgreens, Walmart, I believe Target, and the Dollar Tree. So yeah, these are both $1 bar soaps. Yeah, and this one is silky, fresh, and softening, and this one smooths and hydrates. But the thing is, with using a bar soap, they usually are a little more like cleaning than a body wash, just because, I don't know why, but they usually are. So yeah, Crest, Yardley are some of my favorites. I've heard Dove is really good. Soft soap bar soaps are good. Don't use Dial. I mean, you can use Dial. My mom and dad use Dial. I don't recommend it, just because I just really don't. But if that's all you can afford, it will get you clean. But the Dial bar soaps are really drying. So next, for liquid body soap, I have the Dove Gentle Exfoliating. I also have a Dove body wash in my shower right now. That's the Deeply Nourishing. So you can get a Dove. These are about $6 for the big ones, or if you get a more small one, they're about $4. But you can also go to Walmart or Target and get the off-brand. They're usually right next to them, and they look kind of like this, but they have like the Equate brand will work as well. Or you can also use like the Suave body wash. Sorry, the cat's back there being weird. You can also use a Suave body wash. They have some good smelling body washes as well. Or you can do a bar soap and like a scented shower gel. So I have the Bath & Body Works Violet Leaf and Blackberry. The notes for this are fresh green violet petals and succulent sugared blackberries with powdery vanilla bean. My suggestion is, if you are struggling with body odor and not smelling as fresh as you want to, please try to get products, or only products, that smell really fresh. Don't get anything like, I'm not telling you what to do, but these are suggestions. Maybe don't get anything like that has like a vanilla scent, like a prominent vanilla scent, or something super warm and sugary, because a sugary scent can, like, if you mix odor with sugary stuff, it just doesn't smell good. Yeah, so try to get something fresh scented so that it'll make you smell fresh, and then you can put different body sprays on top that are different scented, but try to stay fresh in the shower if you're struggling with body odor. After you get out of the shower, you don't have to put on lotion, but I would suggest it. So I have the Vaseline lotion right here. This is the Intensive Care. These range from, I think, $2 to $4. So they're relatively inexpensive. You get a big bottle. This is 13.5 ounces, which is like 3 ounces more than this. Pretty big. Yeah, these are good. This is the Intense Hydration. Yeah. Like, it doesn't look, it's pretty watery, but when you rub it on, it is very moisturizing. These have droplets of Vaseline inside of them, which is really nice. So yeah, that's an option. If you're really needing more moisture than that, you can always go with the Bath & Body Works lotion. They have the lotions. This is the body cream and wild strawberry. Again, a very fresh scent to keep you smelling fresh and not musty. So as you can tell, that's already much thicker. And yeah, these are more expensive. I would suggest only, if you're on a budget, only buying Bath & Body Works and a few things at semi-annual sale so that they're much cheaper and basically the price of things at the drugstore. But yeah, I rub it on. It's just a super fresh, light strawberry scent, and it'll go really well with pretty much fresh scents of almost any kind. So this cat's storming me. And after this, you have the option for body spray or perfume. If you are on the budget and you're just starting, if you're on a budget or you're just starting a routine, you probably should just start out with body mist. One, because they are bigger, way bigger sizes for a much smaller price. Although they may not last as long, you should be smelling fresh enough that you shouldn't have to drench yourself in fragrance. So I have two that you can find at the outlets. So this is Fresh Gardenia and Apple Blossom. I would just suggest anything, again, fresh. Go into a store during semi-annual sale and try to smell find the most fresh one you can, just to keep you smelling fresh and nice all day. If you have no issues with body odor, then definitely you can branch out into scents like Into the Night or sweeter scents like cookie scents, vanilla scents. But I would just start with something fresh and clean, but really nice. And you can also go to Walmart and they have a brand called Bodycology you can try. They also have the Fantasies. They have the Fantasies fragrance line. Yeah, so, or you can go to stores like TJ Maxx, Ross, Marshalls, Burlington, and get those fragrance mists they have under the perfumes for a relatively cheap price. And yeah, the last thing I say is oral hygiene. Like I said, the hair in the mouth are on your head, which is the place people's noses are on their face. And if they're at almost the same height as you or taller, what they're smelling is going to be this part right here. So you want to keep it fresh and smelling really good. And my family uses the Colgate baking soda and peroxide whitening. The baking soda and peroxide really helps deeply clean and whiten the teeth. Yeah, so it's really good. It's the Brisk Mint. This is relatively inexpensive. You can find these at Dollar Tree in a smaller size or Walmart, Dollar General, Walgreens for this bigger size. I think it's about $2. It's not expensive at all. Yeah, if you're on a budget, the best bet for toothpaste would be Dollar Tree, because they have name brand toothpaste just in smaller sizes, but it'll honestly, if you're just yourself and not sharing with anybody else, then you won't run through it too much. But the key is mouthwash, because after you brush your teeth, there's no way you can guarantee you brush into every little crevice in your whole mouth, because you can't you can't just scrub down your throat with a toothbrush. That's not how it works. So I would suggest mouthwash, swishing around your mouth and then gurgling so it gets your throat, because your throat is it connects to your stomach, so it can let odor up through there. Sorry, there's a cat trying to jump and I really don't want her to jump on my desk right now. Yeah, so make sure you're doing mouthwash. I like the natural mint flavors from different brands. Faye likes the blue stuff. I just like the naturally mint stuff. People suggest TheraBreath, but if you want the burning sensation, you don't have to get that. Honestly, just get a mouthwash from Dollar Tree or from the grocery store. Something not super expensive, because TheraBreath is $8 for a mouthwash. I would never pay that unless I had a lot of extra money to pay to just spend on mouthwash. But yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you on Thursday, hopefully with an exciting upload. Hopefully. I'm trying to get to the Bath & Body Works outlet again soon, but yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye!